So far, we have learned how to integrate your current systems with Scriptify, import data, and build talk tracks. Now let's explore the most important component of Scriptify, the dialer. To begin dialing, head over to the dialer section. On your left, you'll see all available dialing options. Let's review these options before we begin dialing. The first big button is for importing your data. You can choose to import an existing lead list or data from one of your integrated platforms. Let's do that quickly before looking at the other settings. Now that we've imported our data, let's focus on the rest of the settings. Just below the Lead Import button, you'll see the Record Calls option. You can turn this on or off based on your calling location. If you have parallel dialing enabled in your configurations, you'll see your parallel dialing options below this. Here, you can choose how many people to dial simultaneously and whether to enable AI human detection. When you turn on AI human detection, Scriptify will attempt to connect you only when a real human picks up the call and handle other cases automatically. For example, if it detects a busy phone, it will automatically move to the next prospect and log the call back to your CRM or SEP with the appropriate disposition. If Scriptify detects a voicemail, it will automatically drop a pre-recorded message and log the call, all without any manual intervention. However, if you have AI human detection turned off, Scriptify will connect you to the call immediately after it's answered, whether by an answering machine or a human. It will only skip busy or rejected calls. An important note about latency. It typically takes 2 to 4 seconds for Scriptify to detect a human call and connect your rep. We provide 2 human detection models to choose from. To see these models, click on Advanced Settings. This reveals our 2 current models. 1. A faster detection model with more false positives. You might get some voicemail connections. 2. A higher accuracy model with slightly more latency. We suggest starting with the low latency model and setting the dialing to either 1 or 2, then adjusting based on your connect and conversation rates. Below this, you'll find your phone number options. To begin dialing, you must add a phone number by clicking Add a New Number. Scriptify will show you all available numbers. You can add up to 5 numbers. If you don't see any numbers, you haven't started your trial yet. To start your trial, add your credit card details in the Billing section, accessible by clicking your username and then Billing. Once you've added a new phone number, ensure it's selected in the drop-down menu. The Forward To section below determines where callbacks are directed. When prospects call back your dialing number, calls will be forwarded to the number you add here, whether it's your office line or personal cell. The prospect will never see this forwarding number. For voicemail options, if you have AI human detection enabled, Scriptify can automatically drop pre-recorded voicemails. To record one, click Add a New Voicemail and follow these steps. 1. Name your voicemail. 2. Record it using the mic icon. 3. Play it back to verify. 4. Save it. 5. Select it from the drop-down menu. You can record multiple voicemails, so ensure you have the right one selected during your dial session. Finally, there's your talk track. Remember the script we built earlier? This is where you select which talk track Scriptify should launch when a call connects. Click Define Mapping and choose your desired talk track from the drop-down menu. Once selected, Scriptify will automatically display the right talk track and fill in dynamic variables when calls connect. Now let's look at the top panel options. The Filters option allows you to filter by last disposition, useful for redialing canceled calls or specific outcomes. Filter by time zone to ensure appropriate calling hours. Click Filter to activate your selections. On the far right, you'll find the dial pad icon for one-off calls. Note, these calls aren't logged as Scriptify lacks lead information. Show all contacts, option to display both dialed and undialed prospects. Options to reset your list. Reset status for the entire list. Reset canceled calls for just canceled calls. Note, Scriptify remembers your progress even after logging out. To start dialing, click the green Start Dialing button. You'll see human detection in action as it transcribes the other side of calls. When a call connects, Scriptify will ring your phone. The call interface includes Center Panel, your clickable talk track for navigation during the call. Left Panel, Information Panel showing. Pre-connection transcript, if using machine detection. Lead information. Quick notes section. Past call history. The top tabs include Talk Track, Current View. Call Logs, for logging calls with dispositions
John
and
Wilson.
notes. Book Meeting tab. Email tab for sending template-based emails. For call logging, select your disposition, add notes, and click Log Call. You can then either click Dial Next to continue dialing and end the current call, or just end the current call to finish up. Disposition automations allow you to set up automatic tasks based on call dispositions, such as removing prospects from the list, marking phone numbers as bad, sending automated emails, creating workflows for automatic call logging and dialing. Remember, when a call connects, begin speaking immediately. Don't wait to hear the other side, as human detection has already verified a person answered. This completes our overview of basic dialing operations. Next, we'll explore how to view past calls and build reports.